Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy bedroom filled with sunshine, lived a fluffy bunny named Snowdrop, a brave teddy bear called Barnaby, and a wise old owl known as Professor Hoot. One sunny afternoon, while Timmy was at school, Barnaby peeked at Timmy's tablet. "Look," he whispered to Snowdrop and Professor Hoot. "A recipe for something called slime." Snowdrop, with her soft white fur and pink bow, hopped closer. Professor Hoot, with his big round eyes, peered over Barnaby's shoulder. The recipe showed glue and sparkling glitter. "We have those," squeaked Snowdrop, pointing her little paw at Timmy's craft box. But the recipe also mentioned something called activator. Professor Hoot said wisely, fluffing his feathery chest. "The recipe says we can use something called contact lens solution, or borax." Barnaby looked around. "I don't see any of those." Then his eyes landed under the blue sofa. "But look. Mystery ingredients." He reached a paw under and pulled out some colorful toy blocks, a lost button, and a few stray crumbs. Excitedly, Snowdrop poured some clear glue into a small bowl. Barnaby sprinkled in some bright blue glitter, making it sparkle like tiny stars. Professor Hoot carefully added the mystery ingredients: a red block, a shiny button, and a few brown crumbs. They mixed and mixed with a little spoon. But instead of becoming stretchy and fun, the mixture turned into a sticky, lumpy mess. Gluey strings stuck to Snowdrop's fluffy fur, and Barnaby's paw got completely covered in goo. Professor Hoot's feathers even had a tiny bit of stickiness on them. "Oh dear." Professor Hoot chuckled gently. "This is quite a sticky situation." Timmy came back from school and saw his stuffed animals surrounded by the sticky, glittery mess. He didn't get upset. Instead, he giggled. "Looks like you tried to make slime," he said. He helped Snowdrop gently wipe the glue from her fur and cleaned Barnaby's paw. Together, Timmy and his stuffed animals looked at the recipe again. Timmy pointed to the words contact lens solution. "This is the special ingredient that makes it slimy," he explained. The next day, Timmy helped his toys make real slime. It was stretchy, jiggly, and lots of fun. They learned that following instructions carefully is important when trying something new, and sometimes grown-ups can help a lot.
Please subscribe. Thank you.